Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used machinery, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you one of our best lines that we carry. Been around a very, very long time. The company's name is Hydmech. You'll see it. It's made in Canada. It's also made in America. So you have a great brand, very local for parts. This particular saw is called the VW-18. This is a vertical tilt frame saw. What that means is it's going to tilt the head both sides. This particular saw has a few options on it, so we can show you what options have been put onto it so you can decide if they might be the ones for you. We have a quick mist system. The blade right here is going to go ahead and get a nice little mist, keep it going for a long time, give you a lot of blade life. We've also added a variable vise pressure, so you could change the different pressure on the vices depending on the material you're using. If you're using something lighter, you don't want it to mark it, you could just barely touch it. You'll also notice if you see this saw is just a little bit cantered forward there, and that's the tilt that's going to give you a lot of blade life. It's going to make the blade go right into the material a lot easier and make it a lot smoother. This is a very nice saw. You can use it in manual mode or a programmable mode, which lets you program one particular job in there. You can continue moving your pieces manually, and it'll go ahead and do it each way. It can swing back and forth. It'll come in and out, both the vices. Everything's going to be controlled right here. We'll go over the controller just a little bit. You can see everything's really nice and local to here. We can open and close our vices. And you can see there's a lot of capacity on this saw. You see the vices opening here. So we go ahead and put our material in there, clamp it down. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Now, we've put a program in here. We're in the semi-automatic mode. We have two different distinctions of what we're going to do for degrees. So we're going to do an 82-degree cut and a 90-degree cut, going both different ways. Right here, it's going to show you exactly where we're at. We're at 82 degrees, and we got our blade speed here at 0. So if we start with turning our blade on, you'll notice right here the first thing is the blade speed is going to go ahead and increase, when you can increase right here if you need to with a simple dial. So right here we're at 331 feet per minute. We'll dial it down here right around 200 feet per minute. So it's really nice. Everything's here right on the control for you. We're going to go ahead and start the semi-automatic mode. First thing we're going to do is hit Command and Blade Start. You'll notice our blade starts there. And now that we have our vices closed, you can open and close them. Once they're closed, they'll know the material's in there, and it's going to allow you to set up and start this cycle. So we're going to hit Command Enable and Cycle Start at the same time. And right now you're seeing the head come in. We're at the 82 degrees, which is the first part of the program. After it makes this cut, it's going to go ahead and move the head automatically to 90 degrees, and you'll see it execute the next cut. Now, if you want to increase the speed right here, if you're waiting for it to come to your block, right here is your head fast approach. You go ahead and push on that, and it'll move it right up to your piece real quick. You don't have to wait. These saws are really made for production, so everything's been thought about. So now you'll notice as soon as it gets past the piece, it's going to retract, and then the head is going to go ahead and go to 90 degrees. You'll see the vices opened, the head went to 90 degrees, and now everything's up to you to start the cycle again. Hit Blade Start. Close both the vices. Got to have your material in there. Hit Blade Start. And we can start the cycle again. Another really nice feature on the saw is a very nice light up your material. And you'll notice right here, there's a laser. See the laser right on my hand? That's going to be a very helpful thing for you. whatever you go ahead and cut, you'll be able to see exactly where the saw is going to go and cut. So again, I'll do this head fast approach. I'd like to show you right here really quick. This is the Ford feed force limit and the feed rate. And what this is going to do is allow you for your different materials, if they're harder or softer, the feed rate that it's going to be coming into the piece, that's going to give you a better cut each time. So as soon as it hits this cut, it's going to go ahead and go back. We'll be back in first position. You notice the vices are going to open and the head's going to change. It's as easy as that to go ahead and make a program, continue it. If you have to go 45 back to 45, 45 to 60, whatever it is, you can set your program in here, go through one job, and complete it as you move the material yourself. We could show you a few other options here. We'll just show you how it does work in manual mode, of course. You got your left vise. You got your right vise. A big capacity on this saw. We want to move our head forward and backward. Once again, just push the buttons. You'll see your Y degree right here for your scale, let you know exactly where you're at. Another really nice simple thing is what you can do is you can set your head limits, either the front or the back, and what that's going to do is allow you to not have to go back as far each time for the dead space between no material. It's going to allow you to go right to where you need to be and allow you to cut really quickly and increase your production. We'll go ahead and show the head tilt just so you can see that. You also have a head swing fast right here. You hold it down, you can see it does move pretty quickly. Go back the other way. Now what I'd like to do, we're going to take the front guard off just so you can see the bottom of it. And we'll make the full tilt so you can see exactly how much tilt you're going to be able to get. So you'll see everything's down here. There's all your chips, all your coolant's going to fall down there. There's your coolant pump right there in the corner. We'll go ahead and do our head swing. You can really check out this capacity on the saw. So you can see quite a big miter if you need to do that. Go back the other way. So in manual mode, you can pretty much set anywhere you need to be. You can see right here, you're going to have your different angle. Right there is at 50 degrees. Make it set really easily. If you needed to go into your semi-automatic, you could set your different semi-automatic mode stops, and it'll go ahead to start each time. As you can see, this is a really exciting saw. There's a lot to talk about. We can go over this all day showing you how to use it and increase your production. You can tell here at Sterling we do have a lot of different machines. We have a lot of different brands. Here's used Hydmech, brand new Duals. We're also a rep for Dual and Wells. Also American-made companies. Here's another automatic horizontal. And of course another Hydmech ready to go in stock. Give us a call if you're interested, if you're looking for new or used, or if you have something to sell. At 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.